Looking for a great JV launch to promote? Check this out. Russell Brunson is doing a brand new Mifkey. He calls it the most incredible free gift ever. And he's looking for affiliates to promote it. And he's got huge commissions he's giving away. This is amazing. I'll put a link in the description below so you can go check this out to sign up as an affiliate for Russell Brunson's new Secrets of Success Mifkey. And this video will walk you through exactly what the Mifkey is. He's going to be giving away this box, which then is going to go into his funnel, and it's going to make people want to buy his product because he's going to help them actually achieve success with their online businesses by making sure they're dealing with their mind, which is the biggest obstacle we have as entrepreneurs. And Russell is the guy to sell it. And he's being really, really generous, and he's giving us 40% commission. So the membership itself will be $97 a month, and you'll earn 40% commission on that for the referrals that you refer. And get this, you're also going to earn an additional 10% affiliate commission bonuses on any of the referrals that your referrals refer. All right, so you get what's called your first tier affiliate commission of 40% and a second tier of 10% on affiliates referrals. So that is super cool. And have a look at this video here on the page as well, where Russell will give you his full vision of the secrets of success. And he's giving away, so check this out. This is the Mifkey he's giving away. He's giving away this free Secrets of Success box, which includes his version of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Plus, he has books that have never been published by Napoleon Hill that he's giving away for free as part of his Mifkey. So again, I am not sending you to the Mifkey. This is an opportunity for you to become an affiliate, a joint venture JV partner for Russell Brunson to promote his Secrets of Success Mifkey launch, which is going to happen in just a couple of days. So you don't want to miss this. And that 40%, 50% commission, it's recurring every single month for everyone that you promote or that you send his way that then takes up of the offer. And to help you even more, I've put together a bunch of bonuses just for you. So when you click the link below, which is amandavandergulik.com/SOS-JV, so SOS Secrets of Success-JV, you'll get to this page where you can opt in to get your free bonuses that I put together for you. If you don't want the bonuses, just click on this no thank you link at the bottom. It'll bring you directly to Russell's affiliate page, so you can do that as well. But if you'd like me to help you create evergreen, consistent, targeted free traffic for your affiliate promos, I put together a huge bonus here for you together with my dear friend Paul Murphy. And we're going to give you things like the 24-hour Google ranking system, unlimited weekly coaching, 4-day Google ranking challenge. I'm giving you a over $12,000 bonus that you can give when you're promoting things as a bonus to give away to those people who then buy through your link. So you get that as well. I have a passion passive income course that I'm currently putting together. And as soon as it becomes available, you get access to that. I have a 10-part how to start your own online business if you've only just gotten started or just considering doing affiliate marketing and you're not sure exactly where to get started. I put that together for you. If you already have an online business, there might be some cool tips in there that you hadn't thought of yet. So definitely check it out. I've also put together a goal setting and achieving them bonus for you because again, it's our minds that get in the way of our success. All right. So knowing the how-tos is one thing, but getting over our self-doubts is a huge one. And so I put that in there for you. My own personal Google ranking secrets, how I get my videos on YouTube to rank almost instantaneously, at least 95% of the time in the first search rankings. So it's pretty consistent. Over the past 17 years, I've consistently done this and I'm sharing my secrets. And if you have children, I'm also throwing in my financial literacy for our kids because, again, the whole reason we do affiliate marketing is to change our lifestyles and to create a legacy for our families. So I hope that really helps you. Again, if you don't want the bonuses, just click the link underneath it. But if you want the bonuses, they are free on me and to help you promote Russell Brunson's Secrets of Success. All right, so go and check that out. And if you haven't heard of Russell Brunson yet and you're not familiar with him, I did a video over here and I can meet you over here and I'll share with you what his ClickFunnels 2.0 is all about, just to give you an insight onto who he is. If you already know who he is, then just sign up to become an affiliate and promote this launch. Good luck to your success.